This is a 360-degree video. Look around. That was fucking shit. Oh, my head. Watch your head.
I'm built for tall people.
Yeah, I whacked my head.
What? Fruit Ninja.
Okay.
That was weird.
Very weird.
I'm so tall in this one I can't even see my face. You gotta do a little up and down.
Thank them. I like these. I want these in my house. Just hang them in your house.
Yeah.
Correct.
We have a winner.
Nice.
Player one wins.
I forgot you were even trying to do it.
Look at all these buttons do. Button blast, let's go.
Oh, it's Twister. I don't want to play Twister. Oh no. Oh, my life. Ugh. Ugh.
Oh, Jesus.
Ugh. Oh, my lifetime.
Oh,
Whoa.
these are cool. Convince these men.
Yeah, I want that in my house too. Imagine I get older, I just live in a fun house.
I can see it.
I can see it too. Oh, this is gonna give people vertigo. Wow, it's amazing how that gives you vertigo, eh? I feel drunk.
Angry reviews.
Thought it was a floor screen, but it's a projection. Oh, we broke it. it's like closed. It goes way up. An alarm goes off. Exit to the gift shop.